Let's start standing. Okay, just remind you that you keep your core engaged, bend your knees, rise your hands up, and then lower down. Again, breathe in, and then breathe out. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, we start with simple rise legs up and clap under your knee. Breathe out, then breathe in. Breathe out, then breathe in. Clap, release, clap, release. Continue there. Control the movement. Okay, we are done. Super. And then we go up on toes. You can hold the wall in front of you or a chair and balance. So keep your core engaged, keep your posture, go up on your toes, lower down. Again, up and down. Thin your spine, continue there with no rush. In this exercise, engage your whole body, and core is the key. So there is no way to be relaxed. Keep your posture. Well done. Then you do the last one, release. Take your break. Right. And then extend your one hand up, stretch your side. Keep breathing, then swap to the other side. Inhale, then exhale. Okay, continue breathing all the time. Breathe in, then breathe out. Right. Suck your tummy in and slightly push your pelvis forward. Spread your legs out and go in plie. At the same time, keep your back straight. We are going to do plie, like not very deep. Okay, so spread your legs out and balance. Go down as far as you can to balance, and then pull your shoulders down, extend your one heel up, then the other one. One of each, up and then the other one. Super. The last one, then we do few pulsing and do one more set. This is good for your calves and inner thighs strengthening. Again, core engage, and then on your toes, one leg, then the other leg, one of each. Then few pulsing and then you release. Okay, take your break. Do inhale and exhale. Then we are doing one of my favorite one. Just take a look at this exercise. This is Romanian deadlift. You keep your neck whole back, your lower back neutral and aligned, and bend your knees, and then as you move down to the middle of your ankles, just slightly beyond your knees, then you rise your upper body up and keep looking in front of you as you do this exercise. So your body weight is on your heels, and as you go down you don't engage your back, and as you go up you engage your glute muscles to rise your upper body up. Lower down, keep your back all the way still and neutral. Feel that glute muscles are working there, and we are going to do this with dumbbell. Our water bottle with one at the moment. So till the middle, then you slowly rise up. So there is no pressure for your upper body. Upper body is just moving up and down, and you pull your body up using your glute muscle like that and up. Okay, once you feel that your lower back hurts, stop doing this movement. Okay, I would take 2 bottles because I love this one, and that's fine with me to do with some weight, but this up to you. And then release. So go down, breathe out. You go up, inhale. Okay, perfect. This exercise is incredibly useful if you do it right. And then we are doing just deep squats, normal squats with weights, if you like. Your feet are wider than your hips, like your shoulders. Maintain that your knees are about your feet, they don't go forward. Imagine that you're sitting down on a small stool behind. Keep your core engaged as well as your lower back is neuter, and focus on your leg muscles. Your body weight is more on your heels. So here you do breathe in, then when you go up, breathe out. Inhale, then exhale. That's very good for your mood as well, and this is something that you can do anytime when you feel sad or you are not very happy. Those movements are very good for rising up endorphins. Plus, when you work out on your lower body, especially women, it works well for your whole body mood and strength. Okay, we are done. Okay, then I would take only one bottle and we would do squat with side leg rise. Keep your leg straight, so as you go in a squat, then you rise your leg to the side. Then you do squat, shift your body weight on the other side and extend the other leg. One of each, no rush. When you do up, you do exhale. When you go in squat, you do inhale. Okay, super. Then we are doing the last one and take your break here. That's already great workout. Then you go in tabletop position and put your forearms on the floor. We go donkey kick. Bend your knee 90 degrees. Suck your tummy in, keep your lower back neutral, rise your leg up, lower it down. Again, up, then down. Feel that your glute muscle is working out. Rise up and then lower down. Again, rise up, then lower down. No rush, and then imagine that you want to push the ceiling with your heel as your leg goes up. This was the last one, then you swap to the other side. Rise up, lower down, up, then down. Again, suck your tummy in, keep your lower back neutral. You might feel your glutes already like burning, which is good. Lovely, then release. Well, then you swap to the other side and do the same, but you rise your leg to the side. Keep your knee 90 degrees bent. One hand is on your forearm, the other hand is straight, and you work with like opposites. One hand is on the floor, then your opposite leg working up and down, up and down. Super, then you do the last one and we swap to the other side. So the other hand, forehand is on the floor, then you work out with your opposite leg. Up, then down, rise up, leg, then down. Inhale, then exhale. No way you hold your breath. Then release and get back in tabletop position. Extend your one leg back. You can go on your forearms and then rise your leg up, tap the floor with your toes. Rise up, lower down, tap the floor. No sharp movements. Suck your tummy in and your core is engaged. Don't work with your lower back. And the last one, hold your leg up and bend your leg. As you hold your thigh parallel to the floor, bend your leg, then extend. Bend, then extend. Keep going and keep your thigh and lower back still for another 4, then 3 and 2, 1. Then release. Swap to the other side. Extend your leg back, keep it straight, rise up and lower down, rise up, lower down. Okay, super. Then the last one, and then hold your leg up and then bend, extend, bend, extend. Keep your thigh parallel to the floor. No way you move with your lower back, just your glutes is working. Check your lower back, that is should be still. Okay. Then you release. Excellent. Shift your body weight back, extend your hands forward and take your break. Okay, get back in tabletop position. One hand is on your forearm and extend your leg to the side. Keep it straight. Rise your leg up, lower it down. Rise up, lower down. Your leg is 90 degrees to your upper body. Continue there. Breathe out, then breathe in. Breathe out, then breathe in. Breathe out, then breathe in. Last one. You swap to the other side. Swap your hands as well. One hand is on your forearm. The opposite leg is working. I will move this way that you can see me. So my one hand is on my forearm and the other leg is working. Rise up, lower down. Breathe out, then breathe in. Breathe out, then breathe in. Good, good, good. Lovely. Then we are doing the last one. Take your break. Do inhale, then exhale.